The knockoff quad lock. Is it right for you? Alright, this one comes in a box. You get your handlebar mount, which mine is already installed. Comes with instructions for easy installation. You get your Allen wrench. You get 3M tape. 3 handlebar spacers. One will be already within the handlebar mount. And you get your case mount, which is mounted with 3M and adhesive tape. Installation is fairly simple. Doesn't take too much of a genius. Once you got your phone mount on your phone, you come over, press down. Once you get lined up, oh, hold on. There we go. It's in there, you hit the click, and it's not going nowhere. Take off, press, turn, and pull. Now I would recommend that you tighten your screws every now and then, because if you have a bike that vibrates a lot, your screws will come loose. Alright, let's look at the pros and cons of the knockoff quad lock. Pros: cheap, under $20 compared to the quad lock, which could run you upwards of $60+. It secures your phone just as the quad lock does when riding down the road on your motorcycle. So it will safely secure your phone. This device is also compatible with quad lock accessories. Just make sure you do your research and make sure that the device that you're looking for fits this device. The cons: you may have to remove your phone cover in order to do wireless charging. That's the only con that I have seen with this device, dealing with the phone case mount. So, and I think they had the same issues with the quad lock as well. So do your research. So if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification.